picture is Malathi Krishnamurthy Hala. She was a handicapped woman with paralyzed legs. She bagged 428 numbers of medals for which she was awarded prestigious Arjuna and Padma Shri award from Government of India. She is T. Sudha Chandra. Though she had to lose her right leg in an accident at 16, she became a famous actress in Indian film and television industry. She was also a famous Bharatanatyam dancer. He is Ravindra Jain, who was a visually impaired music director in Indian film industry. Her name is C.N. Janaki. When she was 2 years old, she was struck by polio. This made her crippled with both legs, but she had a dream to swim across the English Channel. Imagine swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Now, imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel in a similar fashion. Unbelievable, is not it? In spite of having legs made useless by polio, C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. It was in 1987 that Janaki was struck by polio. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. So she conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association for details, and they replied that two conditions have to be met before a swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. A. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. B. The swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is, she or he should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours at a stretch. Meaning of some difficult and new words and expressions in this segment. First, the channel. Here, the channel refers to the English Channel. It is the narrow passage, sea passage, that separates England and France. Number 2, polio. Polio is an infectious disease that attacks the spine, which causes an inability to move certain muscles or limbs, maybe upper limbs or lower limbs. Similarly, the other difficult word is handicap. Here, handicap refers to the physical disability of not being able to work or walk. It may be visually handicapped, it may be motor, it may be immovable, it may be immovable, that one cannot walk or one cannot see or one cannot move his hand or foot like this. At a stretch, here at a stretch refers to doing something without stopping, doing something without stopping or without any rest, that is at a stretch. Marathon. Marathon refers to long lasting and difficult task or activity. When something lasts for a long time and seems difficult, we call it marathon. The another word is attempt. Attempt refers to making an effort or trying to do something with difficulty. The other word is high seas. May be difficult for the children. High seas means the open ocean. It is the area beyond the territory of certain country or certain state. Convey. Convey refers to communicate or to express one's feeling. There are the two important conditions she had to meet as communicated by the English Channel Swimming Association. The answer may be the conditions, the two conditions she had to meet were A. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. B. The swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. As you have understood the topic clearly, now let me test you how much you have reminded the meaning of the words or expression I have explained you. Instruction is given that fill in the blanks with appropriate word or expression choosing from the list. The list is that polio, handicap, channel, marathon, at a stretch, high seas. Question 1.1. Hemanto has lost his left leg in an accident. Now he is a deaf person. You can choose any word from the above: polio, handicap, channel, marathon, at a stretch or high seas. As Hemanto lost his left leg in the accident, the situation is that he is a deaf person. He may be deaf person. Correctly, the correct word may be handicapped. So we can say now he is a handicapped person. Now come to second question. Mohan is an excellent runner. He won a gold medal in this race competition. As he is an excellent runner, situation says he got medal in this race competition. From the list, appropriate word may be marathon race competition. Number 3. The man is sitting uselessly after being struck by dash. Here, as the man is sitting uselessly, being struck by maybe a disease, so that the name of the disease is polio. So here the appropriate word may be polio. Now come to number 4. The little girl read out the passage loudly and correctly. Dash. A little girl read out the passage loudly, correctly, at a stretch, without any stopping. Number 5. A narrow sea passage between two landed areas is called a dash, that is channel. So a narrow sea passage between two landed areas is called a channel.